So we're back out here at Ghost, and honestly, I was hoping for something a little bit better. It's super chewed up on the track here that I guess it was Calgary Sports Car Club has been using. So just did a sighting lap with it, and it's not good. So we're gonna have to go find some different ice. But yeah, out here today, brought the STI out, load the kids up, and yeah, we're gonna go have some fun. But unfortunately, it's just a little too bouncy. Still need that rally suspension. But anyways, having lots of fun. It is obviously Bluebird day out here, so amazing. We'll look for some smooth ice. I'm gonna try to jump onto the track right here, nice and gentle like. Just hold the slide, a little bit of power, put a left foot brake. This little section right here.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
So that is definitely not smooth. It's nice though. We got the studs working on some really open, icy sections. Felt good. Did a little bit of left foot braking. Practicing that. Obviously, new skill sets, right? So done it on a racetrack, but never on ice. So here we are. But yeah, let's go over and try the cove where we were last time and see how that is. Okay, we're back at the cove where we were before. It is really windy. You can see the ice. What was it, 2 weeks ago? We were out here and it was fresh snow powder. Sorry, speaking into the wind. It was fresh snow powder, and now it is glaze ice. So give this a little try here. Okay, it is bumpy and slippery. I just actually got out to take some photos, and yeah, it is slick and windy. So I don't know how this is gonna work, but we're gonna give it a little shot here. Maybe open it up a bit. Steering, and nothing. And now we're over here. This guy's trying to fish, so we're gonna try to stay away from him. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'll try a little circuit right here. Oh my god, it is so slippery. Like, these are studded winter tires, and I'm still sliding. Woo! A little handbrake pop. Okay. Okay, that's gonna wrap it up for today. We got back out on the other course. It was better, played with the side-by-sides a little bit. But definitely it's time for a suspension upgrade. And most importantly, even though the tires are studded and winters, I think it is time for a new set. Till next time, smash the subscribe button, nail the like, and of course, drop a comment if you want to know something about what we're doing. Everything helps. So till then, stay safe.